This is the third question from Ncert class 10, heights and distance. The question goes like this. We have a contractor who plans to install 2 slides for the children to play in the park. Okay. For the children below the age of 5 years, she prefers to have a slide whose top is at a height of itna meter and inclined at an angle of 30 degree to the ground. So we have been said of 2 slides. Let us say this is the first slide I'm drawing. First slide के लिए angle है 30 degree with the ground. This is 90 degree and the height is 1.5 meters. This is for below the age of 5 years. So this figure is for below 5 years. Similarly, we have one more situation where it is said for elder children, she wants to have a steep slide at a height of 3 meters, inclined at 60 degree. That is, we have one more right angle triangle. The height is little bigger now. And in fact, the angle of inclination is also greater now. So here, the angle of inclination is 60 degree. This is 90 degree. Height is 3 meters. Okay. We have been asked what should be the length of the slide in each case. हमें दोनों cases में slide का length निकालना है. Slide का length, if I'm not wrong, is the hypotenuse they are talking about. So if we name the figure, let we call the first right angle triangle as ABC and the second right angle triangle as PQR. What we can see that for triangle ABC, they have given us the value of perpendicular, which is the dimension AB of the triangle, whose length is 1.5 meter. They're asking us the value of hypotenuse, which is denoted with AC, and it is missing. Sin theta to be used for relating perpendicular and hypotenuse. As per the formula, sin theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular value is 1.5. So sin theta, as in theta is 30 degrees. So we'll write sin 30 is equal to perpendicular is 1.5 and hypotenuse is AC. Sin 30 we know this is half 1.5 by AC. If we cross multiply, we got the length of the first slide to be 3 meters. That is the first slide answer we have got. It is 3 meters. In the very same way, if we solve it for the next one, that we now consider triangle PQR. In triangle PQR, sin theta will be perpendicular, which is PQ, and hypotenuse is PR. Theta is 60 degree now. PQ is 3, PR is missing. Sin 60 value we know it is root 3 by 2, and this is 3 upon PR. If we cross multiply, we get 6 upon root 3. And we need to rationalize, this is root 3 upon root 3. So our final answer here comes out to be 6 root 3 by 3, which on simplification give us 2 root 3 meter. That is, the second slide should be of the length 2 root 3 meter. This is the answer, as in these are the 2 answers for this question. First slide should be of the length 3 meter. Second slide should be of length 2 root 3 meter.